Welcome to this brief guide on managing comments in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to either approve or unapprove a comment on your WordPress site. We will walk through each step clearly and sequentially so you can easily follow along and perform these actions confidently. To begin, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress website. When you arrive on the home page, look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Simply click on this login button. This step is essential as it protects your site and ensures that only authorized users can make changes. Once you click on login, the next step will require you to sign into your account. To make this process even simpler, select the option that offers to continue with Google. When you choose this option, a list of your associated Google accounts will be displayed. Carefully select the account you wish to use to sign in. This approach is designed for your convenience and helps speed up the login process while keeping your credentials secure. After successfully signing in with your Google account, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you will need to navigate to the comments management section. To do this, enter the comments area by typing the appropriate navigation link into your browser. Once you are in the comments area, you will see a list of all the comments that have been submitted on your website. This section is where you can easily review every comment before it becomes publicly visible on your site. Now that you are in the comments management area, the tutorial continues with two simple actions. If you find a comment that no longer meets your site's standards or requirements, you can choose to unapprove it. Simply locate the comment you wish to unapprove and click on the provided option for unapproving. This action will immediately change the status of the comment, making it no longer appear as an approved comment on your website. Conversely, if you come across a comment that was previously unapproved and you reconsider, or find that it now meets your approval, you have the option to approve it. To do so, look for the comment with an unapproved status and click on the approve option. This process will alter the comment's status, allowing it to appear publicly on your site. Following these simple instructions will empower you to manage your site comments efficiently and help maintain the quality of interactions on your WordPress site. With a few clicks, you have control over the content presented on your website. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are effectively managing your community's discussions.